The MPKG extension identifies a macOS installer meta package used to bundle multiple software installers for Apple's ecosystem. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install or troubleshoot this package safely. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor MPKG errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. An MPKG file is a structured installer package for macOS containing scripts, payloads, and UI definitions to guide user-driven software installations. Unlike PKG files, meta packages contain multiple subpackages, enabling complex installation workflows. Meta packages use Apple's pkgutil framework and require root privileges to execute. They are signed with developer ID certificates to ensure authenticity. The package structure includes distribution scripts and a resources folder for localization and supporting files. For managing MPKG files, the best dedicated software is macOS Installer from Apple Inc. The file's internal manifest must be processed by a trusted system-level application. Windows cannot show internal code paths, so careful inspection relies on approved tools. Time to see which installed program links the file. Right-click the MPKG file and select Open With. Test macOS Installer if you see it. If it is missing, select any other program and keep checking until the file opens. When an MPKG file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, verifying the package. Confirm the MPKG is from a trusted source such as Apple or a verified developer. Open terminal and run spctl, AV followed by the file path to verify the code signature before proceeding with installation on your Mac system. Next, running the installer, open Finder, then navigate to Applications, then Utilities, then Terminal. Run sudo installer, pkg followed by the file path and target, then enter your administrator password when prompted to begin the installation process. Finally, resolving errors. If installation fails, check the install log in console app at varlog install.log for detailed error messages. If the package appears corrupt, re-download it directly from the official source and verify the checksum before attempting installation again. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.